but in a couple of years, it's predicted in 2030, so in 6 years, Jakarta will be the biggest city of the world. 11 million people live in the central area of Jakarta, and another 30 million people live at the outskirts of Jakarta. What Jakarta is famous for is that every year it's sinking from 1 centimeter to more, especially in North Jakarta, that's where we are. You see a lot of boats here, the harbor, and people try to manage how they can live here under these conditions, because from every year the city is sinking and sinking and sinking, and the government said that they want to plan a new city in the island of Borneo. So they will move the capital city from Jakarta to Borneo because the city is sinking. And as you can see in my surroundings, you see a lot of water. This water will get more and more. And of course, people will suffer from that because they will need to find new ways to live on other places. Let me show you around about the slums of Jakarta. So this cargo boat goes to a lot of islands, to Sumatra, to Borneo, everywhere. And you see the Indonesian flag. It's called KLM Muara Nikmat. That's the name of the boat. So this is original boat where people live. They work on this boat, and let me show you around a bit. It's very old one. And people live here. They live on this boat. It's called Berkat Safina Sada. So we are on the deck on a boat, and it looks nice. People live here. There is a fridge. Yeah, here you can play. Yeah, here you can navigate through. Sit here. Ah.
Okay.
What is your name?
What's your name? Siapa nama?
Muhammad Ismat. Nice to meet you. And Muhammad Ismat lives here on the boat like the others do.
Yeah.
If you take a look of the other boat, also here people live at the boat, they maintain the boat, and they have even cats. A wave for him, hello. Now the waves are getting stronger because we are getting to the open sea of Jakarta. This is how it looks like. Big fisher boats. Woo! Look at this place. We wanted to come here to have a walk, but it's all filled with water. The city is sinking every year 1 centimeter, especially in North Jakarta at the harbor area. So it's even not easy to work here because you have the problem with the water. You see it over here. You see it. So many little cats. Hello. This is a kind of a tea, and she's preparing it now.
Banyak cuka yang doyan dan isi tahu bulatnya nanti ditunggu. Selagi ada cabangnya, selagi hangat tahu bulatnya, tahu bulat, tahu bulat.
What's your name?
Tahu bulat digoreng dadakan di mobil.
Nice to meet you.
Tahu bulat punya terasa gurihnya ada, pada gurih juga ada kok. Tahu bulat, tahu bulat.
So this is the place. You see a lot of dirt in the water, and many people living at in this area. So, hello. And we are getting into the place now. So this is where people live. One of the canals of Jakarta. And people on the paveway with motorcycles on the paveway too. Nice to meet you. And elderly people sitting and having a smoke with these green flowers. It is a vibrant area here. A lot of people. Look at this man sleeping over there. And the traffic of the 40 million people city of Jakarta metropolitan area. The biggest city, the biggest future city in the world. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. What do you sell? Nasi goreng. Ah. Not bad. But you start later. Here. So here he's doing the nasi goreng. Nice. Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh, Anwar.
Anwar.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Hello.
Yeah.
Anwar has a nice clothes.
Yeah.
Look at his. That's classical Indonesian clothing. Very nice. You live here?
Aduh, bahasa Inggris gua agak kurang dikit. I speak English a little bit.
You live here?
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I'm staying.
What is your name?
My name Ashadi.
Ashadi, nice to meet you. My name is Tumi. Hello.
Oh.
Hello, Tumi.
Oh, what's to me?
Hello, hello.
Okay. I speak English a little bit.
Very good.
Dikit-dikit.
Good.
Dikit aja.
In China, nobody speaks English.
China. Now.
Indonesia better.
Indonesia. Speak Indonesia. Little bit.
Yes. Tell me.
Ini kayak kamera.
Iya.
Kamera. Ayam. Chicken.
Ayam.
Chicken.
You have a proud ayam from Indonesia.
Ayam.
Ini ayam Indonesia.
Ah, nice. Big.
Di Australia ada ayam nggak?
It's a big ayam.
Enggak, di Australia ada ayam nggak? Dia nggak ngerti bahasa lu belum bahasa.
What? Australia? Austria.
Iya, maksudnya di Australia ada ayam. Ayam apa bebek?
And this is your sister? Hello.
Mister, dibilang hello katanya.
Hi.
Ini video-videoin katanya.
Hello. This is your son. What is the name of your
What's your
son?
name? Siti Nurhaliza.
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 Hello, Nurhaliza.
My name.
Hello.
Hello, Siti Nurhaliza.
Nice to meet you. How old is your son?
Yeah.
What is the age?
What's to the age? Ini my son. Perempuan ketiga ya.
Hello.
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 Okay.
And this is you're doing fire.
Ini orang apa deh?
Jakarta Dai sapi sir. Dai sapi. Mai tarik sapi.